Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can use today function in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So guys, if you want to know what is current date, so use these functions is equal and today. So after that Excel will suggest a function today, so click on it and then close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see current date is calculated. So if you want to change the format of date, so then click on the right side of mouse and here you can see format cell, click on it and here click on date options. So after that you can see different format of date. So you can select any format of date. So after selecting, click on OK options. So if you want to know what is current day, so then use these functions is equal and write here now day. So after that Excel again suggests a function of day, then click on it and then write here today. So after that Excel again suggest a function of today, then click on it and then close the bracket and then again close the bracket, then press enter button. So you can see current day is calculated. So if you want to know what is current month, so then use these functions is equal and write here now month. So after that Excel again suggest a function of month, then click on it and then write here today. So after that click on today functions, then close the bracket and then again close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see current month is calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate current date or current day or current month in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.